Yeah.
Hello guys, today I will be presenting you the K65 RGB lighting mechanical gaming keyboard.
Yeah.
It comes with 16.8 million colors that is fully customizable to your choice. And of course the Cherry MX switches, which gives you that real nice clicky feeling and sound. It also comes with a very durable wrist rest. And of course these are macro keys, so they are fully customizable to any function you would like them to be. So this is a huge step forward for gaming, and you could use it as an advantage. In addition to this video, I'm gonna show you some of my favorite profiles I've found on the Corsair fan community website, which will be provided below. Thank you guys for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe and like this video.